Hello my drillers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just gonna show you guys how I make my eggs. I make the best eggs in my family, so I might as well teach you guys the secrets and show you guys how I go about my lunch. It is currently not lunchtime. Eggs are eggs. Let's get to it, show you guys the ingredients. Step one in this beautiful creation is to put the oil in the pot. You guys don't want to put too much. It's kind of like a shallow fried egg. Oh shit. A little oil in the pan, a little bit more oil in the pan, and then you just want to kind of move it around, make it nice and covered all the base and a bit of the sides, you know, because then we're gonna flip it like a pancake. Quick cleanup, I don't know, water, fire, oil. Next step, turn on. How are we gonna cook the eggs with nothing? Okay, next step, cracking the egg. Okay, this trick is the Muhammad special, okay? Oh, that was so slimy. Okay, next step, seasoning. So, beautiful. Moving on. Look at this, freehand spring. Oh no. Okay, next up, chopped mint. Call me mint bay or za'atar bay for a reason. Literally, finesse. And then we have, I believe, 7 spices of har. All of these 3 spices are the main ingredients. We also have some ground meat. We use some Arabic thing, Lebanese thing called a waterman. There's one secret ingredient though, which is water. That's it. No more water. Next, we put the eggs on the grill. I'm just kidding, we mix them. Now that the oil is hot, you want to add the ground meat or the meat. You don't want the oil to pop. Be careful on this step. You don't even have to add the meat, to be honest. One time I burned my eye doing the oil meat. I got bullied at school for 1 day, but it was okay. The eggs were worth it for the 3 seconds of pain. But yeah, so as that's cooking and it starts sizzling sausages, shout out Saeed, that is when you add the eggs. You want to hear that sizzling noise? Sounds great. Scrape all that nice excess. You don't want to move it around a lot. You don't want to scramble the eggs. You kind of want it to like set and then move the eggs and get them all around the sides. So you kind of want to make it into an omelet, but you don't want to scramble it. That's the main key. Do not scramble the eggs. They are, I don't even know what they're called, but they're like scrambled, no, shallow fried eggs that are scrambled but not scrambled. Long story short, they're the Muhammad special, you know what I mean? You guys ready? Oh, take two. Well, it worked. That's all that matters. Yeah, now turn off the stove. And now we will enjoy. And now always, now Bismillah. Just like the result is, OMG. Also have to eat it with pita bread. Oh, it's hot. Makes all the difference. That's how you make some great eggs. They actually turned out amazing. Yeah, would you like a bite?
That's good.
The Aki way. Alright. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys are enjoying everything. And yeah.